थाप्या न जाए, कीता न होए, आपे आप निरंजन सोए. Thapya na jaye. Guru Nanak Dev Ji says God cannot be established in anything. God cannot be established in a stone idol. During Guru Nanak Dev Ji's time, people tried to establish God in a stone idol. Similarly, others tried to establish God in the direction of the Kaaba, in the direction of Mecca. Guru Nanak Dev Ji says, Thapya na jaye. God cannot be established in any object or in any direction. Kita na hoy. Nor can we say that any object is God. What is God? Ape aap niranjan soy. God is complete within himself. He is spread through all creation. We cannot trap God in an idol, nor can we say an idol is God. Jin sevya tin paya man. Jin sevya. Whoever has served God. How can we serve God? In the Asa Diwar, Guru Nanak Dev Ji tells us, Sev kiti santokhi, jini sacho sach tyaya. Uni manda pair na rakhyo, kar sukrit dharam kamaya. Sev kiti santokhi. Those who feel contented through service, by sacho sach tyaya, remembering God. What else is a component of this true service? Une mande pair na rakhyo. Those who truly serve God through remembrance never step foot in the direction of sin. Kar sukrit dharam kamaya. And in this way, they practice the true religion. Jin sevya. Whoever has served God in this way, tin paya man. They attain the true honor. They attain the true man. This honor is not worldly honor. People may laugh at them for serving God, but in the court of God, they will obtain man or honor. Guru Nanak Dev Ji tells us how we can remove all pain. Guru Nanak Dev Ji tells us how we can eliminate pain from our body and result in having only sukh, only peace, only happiness. How can we do this? It's very simple. Gavye suniye, mane rakhiye pao. Gavye. Sing of God's virtues, but don't just stop there. Suniye. Listen to God's virtues with your ears. Reciting God's virtues, singing God's virtues is difficult. Akhan okha. But what is more difficult than reciting? Sunna okha. Listening to God's virtues with our ears is even more difficult than reciting. Gavya suniye. What else should we have? Man rakhiye pao. We must have immense love for whom we are reciting for whose virtues we are listening to. If we practice this way, what will happen? Dukh parhar, all pain, all sadness will leave the body. Sukh kar la jaye. And only sukh, only peace, only happiness will dwell within. Gurmukhe nadan. In this way, following the Guru's way, reciting and listening to God's virtues with love, we hear the nad, Gurmukhe nadan. Through following the Guru's way, we hear the nad or the anhad shabad in all creation. Gurmukhe vedam. Through following the Guru's way, all spiritual knowledge, the spiritual knowledge of all the Vedas comes to reside within. Gurmukhe rahya samai. And following the Guru's way through the Gurmukh path, we see God's Spirit present everywhere. Gur Isar, Gur Gorakh, Burma, Gur Parvati Mai. Guru Nanak Dev Ji says he does not need any other God but the Satguru. Hum to ek ramaiya leho, aan badle dev sab dev. I only need the one true God. I do not need any other God or goddess. Guru Nanak Dev Ji says, for me, the Guru or the Satguru is Isar. The Satguru is Gorakh. The Satguru is Burma, and the Satguru is Parvati mine. I only need my true Guru or my Satguru. Je hon jana akha nahi, कहना कथन na jaye. Guru Nanak Dev Ji attained the highest spiritual experience, the highest spiritual pleasure. But Guru Nanak Dev Ji says, Je hon jana, even though I know, even though I have known, akha nahi, I do not say, because this experience cannot be translated into words. This experience cannot be spoken about. Kehna kathan na jaye. This experience can only be felt. It is a true experience. It can only dwell within. It cannot be spoken of. What mat, what wisdom has the true Guru given Guru Nanak Dev Ji? Gura ik deh bujhai. The true Guru has instilled this vital piece of wisdom within me. Sabna jiyan ka ik data, so main visar na jaye. Of all souls there exists one giver, and may I never forget him. So main visar na jaye. And how can we never forget God? Mat bisaras re man Ram bol. O my mind, never forget God. Recite God's name. Let's sing the next verses together.